Today we're diving into a fascinating world of brain and mind, exploring how time molecular changes have big impacts on our behavior, mood, and mental health. Let's start with something called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. BDNF is miracle growth for your brain cells. It helps neurons grow, survive, and connect with each other, a crucial player in neurodevelopment and learning. Interestingly, levels of BDNF can be influenced by our experiences and even our genes. Speaking of genes, have you heard about epigenetics? It's like the brain's way of adding sticky notes to your DNA without changing the underlying instruction. One such sticky note is methylation, which involves adding methyl groups to DNA, especially at regions called promoter regions. When methyl groups attach there, they can dial down gene expression. Methylation isn't the only game in town. There's also hydroxymethylation, a similar process that can sometimes reverse methylation, adding more nuance to gene regulation. Together with post-translational modifications, changes made after proteins are built, like tweaking histones. The proteins around which DNA winds, they all help control how genes are expressed in different cells and circumstances. These epigenetic modifications can influence key stress-related genes, including the glucocorticoid receptor gene. This receptor is like your body's own stress thermostat, helping regulate how you respond to stress. If this system gets dysregulated through excessive methylation, your stress response can go haywire. Speaking of mental health, psychotherapy offers some powerful tools to help. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, is like teaching your brain new habits, retraining it to think differently about stressful situations. There's also eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, which helps process traumatic memories, and mindfulness-based relapse prevention that teaches you to stay present and resist old habits. The brain structure and connectivity play a big role. The prefrontal cortex is like the brain CEO, helping with decision making and impulse control, while the amygdala is the emotional alarm system reacting strongly to threats. In some conditions like anxiety or PTSD, the prefrontal cortex can be hyperactive, meaning less active, while the amygdala hyperactivity leads to heightened fear and emotional responses. Dopaminergic dysregulation and glutamate transmission deficits are also involved in some mental health disorders, affecting how signals are sent across neural circuits. Transcranial magnetic stimulation, or TMS, is a non-invasive technique that can stimulate specific brain regions like the prefrontal cortex to help rebalance. These circuits offer hope for treatment-resistant depression and other conditions. In essence, understanding the intricate dance between epigenetics, neurobiology, and psychology opens new doors to personalized treatments, helping people regain balance, motivation, and emotional well-being. So next time you're facing a tough day, just remember, your brain is a wonderfully complex organ, capable of change and growth, one methyl group at a time.